Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I know I haven't did an update on this crypto.com in a little while. I think the last one I did was about a month and a half ago on May the 20th. You guys probably seen some of my other videos where I purchased there in November the 10th, 2021. I purchased $40,000 worth of CROs. 2 weeks later, it was worth almost $100,000. It went up to 97 cents a share. I bought it for 35 cents a share. But now, you probably seen my last video I made. That thing was down 50% from where I bought it. I think it went down to like 18 cents. So I lost 50% of my money. And today I'm going to give you an update and show you where it's at right now. So I'm going to let you know I'm no financial advisor. If you guys would have listened to me about a year ago, you'd probably be broke right now. But anyway, check this out. I'm going to just keep updating you guys maybe every couple of months and let you guys know. But I'm going to show you my crypto.com account right now. So don't cry. Here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It's cro.com. And you see right now, it's worth $14,796. I started off about almost a year ago. It was $40,000. And it went up, like I told you, went back down. So it's down very bad. All the markets is down. You know, I bought in Ford and Tesla and Amazon. All that stuff is down. But I'm going to show you what I have right now. And we're going to go to this CRO. I'm going to click on it. And you see right there, I got 112,999 CROs. And if I click on that, and it can show you right here, hey, I got $13,690 that I can unstake. Like I bought it on November the 10th, and I could have unstaked it 6 months later, which was May the 10th. But I'm deciding, hey, I'm going to hang on to it. I done already lost 75% of the money. I'm going to just hang on to it and see what happened to it. I can hit this unstake and put this $13,600 right into back into my Bank of America Chase account. But I'm going to let it ride. The only reason I'm letting it ride is right now I don't really need it right now. Plus, I'm getting a little 8%. It was 12% and they went down to 8%. That sucks. And I also get the free Amazon, the Netflix, and Spotify. That's the only reason why I'm hanging on to it, because I get those things free. Plus, I get the 8%, every 8% APR. So if you look down here, every Monday, every week, I get 173 CROs, which is probably ain't worth nothing about $20, but I get that every week. Before, I used to get 260 before they dropped it from 12% to 8%. I'm gonna go down and see if I can find one that was 260. You see right here on May the 30th, I was getting 260 CROs every Monday, every week. But now, since they went down and changed the rate from 12% to 8%, I'm getting $173 CROs, which is worth about $20 right now. So I don't know if you guys want to do it. If you guys purchase what I purchased, when I purchased it at 35 cents a share, I got 112,990. If you guys buy the same amount, you'll get over 300,000 of them. So I don't know if you guys want to invest in this. I'm not telling you to invest, but if you do decide, I'm going to put a link in the description below, because we both get $25 and that's better than nothing. But anyway, I'm just giving you an update, and this is what I have in my account right now. Let me go back to the front page. There we go, home page. It goes up and down, and this thing 24 hours, it stay going. So I'm sharing this with you, and this is what it looks like right now. Maybe next week, or well, I'll do another video in about a couple of months from now. It might be worth 10,000. It may be worth 30,000. I hope it's worth 100,000, because at one point when I had it, it was worth 100,000. But anyway, if you guys are going to invest, you know, look into Ford, look into Tesla, look into whatever these other, because everything is down. The same thing happened in 2008. The market crashed, and a lot of people start taking their money out when the stock is down. but I'm going to let it ride right now because I don't need it. So maybe in a few months, it might be worth something. But anyway, I'm going on vacation, and thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.